Brent and Taylor here. We're about to walk across that waterfall. But first,
dude, what do we do now?
there's a path right there.
I know, but dude, there's a tree.
Alright, climbing it?
You wanna climb the tree?
Yeah.
But dude, it's down. I think it's the end of the road, dude. Probably not. Holy shit,
dude.
Go in front of me. It's
I'm not
so
going in front of you,
fucking
dude. I'm not going in front of you.
cold. Dude, it's way too cold, dude.
Is it too cold?
Fuck this.
Alright, dude.